Alrighty, buddy. We got you fixed up. Changed one peel and a resistor. And I did a little bit on the input tune. I dropped it down a little more. Did a couple small things. You know, I'm always doing what I can to improve it. Improve anything. But you know what it is. We're going straight through SWR. Box off. We're just talking straight through the box, straight through the box, straight through the box. We'll be decking 2.2 in. Actually 1.8. Worldwide. Turn him on. That's going to make, let's see what that take you, with the barb wide open. $234 keys. So 2.2, about 2 watts is 230 something. Here, that's here on my stuff. Alright, let's show you when this radio swings. Radio swinging, hello, worldwide. Swing about 30 in, okay, well, hello, 2830. Close enough. Alright, I'm going to turn it back on. Wait for big hold. We'll go up here and look at my 25, well, look at our input first. Input SWR, this is where I helped you a little bit more. Hello, 1, 2, 0. Zero input SWR, none, nada, zero. No SWR on the radio, uno, none. 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide. 17, 18. Worldwide. That's real good because we're just running about 14.8, but you don't need it voltage. You don't need it voltage because you talk a lot. You're long-winded. 1, 2, 1, 2. So really, that's real good for 14.8. Worldwide. If I put it up to 15.8, I mean, if I had the power splice out at 15.8, it'd do 2,000, but it'd break a lot more. So it's better this way, especially for you, bud, because you're long-winded. On the LP, hello, audio, worldwide. You can see your output reflex, SWR 0 on the output side, 1891, 1925. Hello, she's trying to get on up there. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 4, worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 4, worldwide. Just keep it on a minute. A little warm coming out, not hot. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, worldwide. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, hello, worldwide. There's your tune on the scope. Well, that's picking me up top. There you go. When I move the microphone away from the fans, so when I talk, it picks me up. I'm still got the microphone wide open. But, hello, audio. Worldwide. 750 average. Hello, 700 average. Hello, worldwide. 1800 PV. But that's about where we want it. Like I said, because you're long-winded and you don't want a bunch of voltage. We need to try to keep all your stuff out of the line. There she is, up and repaired for you. Take care, bud. Appreciate the business. Your friend and Tim. So, when I be, catch you later. Bye-bye.